Alrighty guys, here it is right here, towed in. He dropped it off right here. Yeah, she says she saw red fluid, not transmission fluid. Okay, although, yeah, this is NAG 1. They do have red automatic transmission fluid in it, ATF4. This thing likely have a coolant leak, and she said it's overheating. So what we gonna do is find out what the hell going on. So, got check engine light on. Now, I don't want to take nobody's word for anything, guys. I want to re-diagnose this thing myself. But if there's no coolant in it, hopefully there's a visual. One thing I hate is intermittent anything. The word intermittent just turned me so freaking off. All right. So, Brothers Motors, we're going to go in here and find out what's going on. Y'all hold tight. Yes, 3.6 Pentastar. I did some work on this thing. I think I did our brakes last time when I put a junky. Yeah, I think this is why I put that junky as aluminum thermostat on here, guys. Remember what I told y'all? No, a thermostat, not a thermostat, not a thermostat. Okay. Now these thermostat comes with the housing. Although you can buy it separately, but a lot of people are so gung ho over these aluminum thermostats to the point where, yep. Could they have caused this? Well, I don't know. Let me find out what a leak is first. I see a bunch of cooling up here. Let me pressurize this system, guys, because I think she had the cooler done. This is a high mileage Jeep. Let me pressurize this and figure out what's going on. Hold tight. All right, guys, what y'all think we should use? Pump style, old school style? Yeah, this is oh my goodness, I've been using that thing for decades. All right, or I got this from my buddy, my internet buddy, my YouTube buddy. Damn, I can't even think his name. I don't think I ever knew his name, but he cool as hell. He has some extra one or some extra tools. This will allow me to pressurize the system via air pressure. Stick air on here and of course adjust the gauge. But yeah, I think we're gonna use this one, guys. Yeah, appreciate that, buddy. He's a mobile mechanic. Damn, I can't. I'm sure he watches the video. So if you see this video, bro, don't charge it to the game or don't charge it to my memory. But I appreciate it. Yeah, we about to fire this up. Yeah, we're gonna the old style. I keep getting a lot of flack for using this old style, but it still works. I stop using stuff when stuff breaks, but I don't know. Let's find out. All right, I got my airline hooked up. Let's see. Let's get this thing some air pressure. I hear it. Now we look. Ooh, I can hear it. See, we never would have accomplished this with a pump style. I can hear a freaking. Oh man, hold tight. Damn. Y'all hear that? I'll move this reservoir out the way. All right, guys. Y'all hear that? Guess where it's coming from? Oh my goodness. You can see the radiator leaking, but how the hell that happened? Did Derman cause this? Derman? Did you do this, Derman? Okay, I don't trust that. All right. Yes, if that lock up or stick and cause high pressure has to go somewhere. Anyway, I don't trust Derman. He getting out of here. So, guys, let's go to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, and get a damn radiator. All right. Yeah, you can shut this off. Hey, it worked. Thank you, buddy. My mobile mechanic buddy. I got a lot of mobile mechanic buddy. Alex, the car doctor. This guy here, he called. We communicate. Oh, he got my number. We text message all the time. Bouncing ideas across each other, but I don't know the guy name. But he cool dude. Appreciate you, buddy. This thing worked great, man. Now, guys, let's go to Advanced Auto and get a damn radiator. First, let me go Mopar, no car. Y'all know me. Let me go check Mopar first. Okay. Well, so much for that idea. Mopar is $450. All right. This is my cost. So a customer probably $500. All right. Now, let me put this out there. Of course, Mopar is quality. All right. Let me put this out there as well. Do Mopar make the radiator? Do y'all think I don't know some things just because I act a certain way? Okay. It's not that Mopar make or design the radiator, okay? They have to sign off on whoever they give that contract to. All right, the vendors. All right, I gotta have this amount of specs. The specs got to be this amount. The flow rate got to be this amount, and it's got to be quality. All right, we'll sign off on it if all that meets our standards. Now the name Mopar gets stuck on it with a sticker. Yeah, guys, it's the American way. Okay, but yeah, we don't have one. Not only that, it's expensive, so I can't wait. I can't let them order one and wait. I'm going to Advanced Auto. Y'all ready? Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm in Advanced Auto. I had to come up here and get a damn radiator. The Mopar radiator I need for my Nissan Grand Wrangler. Oh my God, $450. This is my cost. So, oh, that's it. Hey, what kind of warranty on this thing?
It should be lifetime.
Lifetime. No, none of that limited lifetime stuff.
Limited lifetime.
Limited? What limited mean? Come on, man. Y'all always spring this on me later. What limited mean?
Limited means
12 months to a year.
Really?
Yeah. So you can exchange.
That's not lifetime then, is it?
It's limited lifetime.
So just take out the word limited.
you can do any year, only one time though. You can return it.
Yeah, any 1 year of like from today from the next year.
What they call, what Sebastian told me was that
Can you open this so I can take a peek?
if he uses it right, and like while he's using it, it just somehow ends up being defective, then that's when we can replace it.
It doesn't have to be defective. If it would have had to be defective, it would have said it in the thing. It's limited
What?
lifetime. Yeah.
No, I'm talking about if it break. Like a year from now, it's
If
break.
bad in a year, you can still return it.
Yeah.
In 2 years, you can still return it.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's lifetime. What
Well,
y'all?
you're gonna do it one time.
You can only do it one time in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Whose lifetime? The radiator or mine? I mean, like, technically it's not lifetime if it's limited lifetime, but yeah, that's all. I just want to take a peek. Mopar radiator was down $400-500, man.
The Mopar?
Yeah.
Cars are for?
Huh?
What car is it?
A Jeep Wrangler.
No, okay. Oh shit, I think I broke it. That's alright.
And Mopars is lifetime warranty. See, y'all can't top that. Y'all the competitors. You sure this for a Wrangler? It's awful flimsy. It look awful flimsy and thin. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll be back within a year if it ain't working. So you got my stuff in the computer. I ain't got to bring no receipt.
I mean, you have it online.
It's
It's
online
gonna be in your email.
in my email. All right,
I mean,
bet.
your phone number will show up too.
Yeah. Thank you. Y'all hear that? They trying to get over on your boy. It ain't happening. I'm Jay Twizzle. JT the car guy. I got to settle for a damn car cut. This is my niece car, guys. She said she can't afford the Mopar one. So this is for her Wrangler. So damn it, you got to be versatile, guys. You got to be able to meet people's budget. I say that all the time. Everybody can't afford what you can afford and what you recommend. Okay? So, yeah, I'm very good with that. So, let me get this in here. I got a lot of freaking, yeah. Guys, y'all stay tuned. I'm going to get this Wrangler in here and knock this out right quick. Gotta go.